It's been building, year by year, home by home, city by city. A movement, an unstoppable wave sweeping the country. This is Heat Pump Nation. At center stage, all electric, all climate heat pump technology. Products that deliver unmatched comfort, sustainability, and innovation. Supported by unprecedented new legislation and incentives, surging awareness of our products, and unmatched customer experiences. Powered by you, advocates and experts in the field, day in, day out, building lasting customer relationships, unleashing our full potential. We've always been ahead, always pushing forward. We are more than personal comfort. We're driving change in our communities, our cities, our country, and the world. We create better environments inside and out. We are Heat Pump Nation.